Position of points, lines, and planes on solid shapes. Points, lines, planes. Solid shapes such as cubes, boxes, and pyramids all consist of points, lines, and planes, which are the principal elements of space. A. A point is shown by means of a dot and is labeled with a capital letter. For examples, point A, point B, point P, point Q, etc. B. A line in this chapter means a straight line. A line is a set collection of points. A line has an infinite length or does not have any limit to either side, right and left, and so we only draw a segment of it as its representation. A line is labeled with a lowercase letter, such as line G, line H, line K, line L, etc. C. A plane has an infinite area. In geometry, a plane is only drawn by its representation, which is bounded area located on the plane. The planes above are all called plane ABCD, or they can also called a plane alpha. Position of a point relative to a line. Point P is located on line G. If line G passes toward point P is outside of line G. If line G does not pass toward point P. Position of a point relative to a plane. A point can be located on a plane or outside of a plane. If plane alpha passes toward point A, then point A is located on plane alpha. If plane alpha does not pass through point A, then point A is outside of plane alpha. Consider some examples of the position of a point relative to a line and a point relative to a plane on a cube ABCD, EFGH. Point A is on the line H, AB, AE, AC, etc. Point A is on outside of the line H, BF, CG, DH, etc. Point A is on the plane spaces ABCD, ABFE, etc. Point A is outside of the plane spaces BCGF, CDHG, etc. Relative position of two lines. They are four positions of a line relative to another line, which are 1. Coinciding. Line G coincides line H. It's every single point on line G. It's also located on line H and vice versa. An adequate requirement for coincidence of two lines is to have a pair of common incidence points. 2. Intersecting. Two lines G and H intersect each other if both have exactly one common incidence point. That is the point at which the two lines cross with one another. Any two lines can only be intersecting if they are located on the same plane. Parallel. The lines G and H are called parallel if both do not have any common incidence point. From any two parallel lines, we can always form a plane that contains those two lines Q. The lines G and H are said to be skewed if both lines do not have any common incident points, nor are parallel, and are located on two different planes. On cube ABCDEFGH, line AE is skewed to line BC, FG, BG, FC, DC, DG, HG, DB, DF, BH, and FH. From any two skew lines, no planes can be formed. Thanks for attention and goodbye.